Welcome to Auto System, your ultimate destination for advanced military technology reviews, futuristic defense innovations, and next-generation fighter jet features. Today we bring you an in-depth look into one of the most anticipated and talked about stealth aircraft of the future, the F-36 2025 edition. This is not just a fighter jet, it is a symbol of cutting-edge engineering, technological supremacy, and unmatched aerial dominance. The F-36 has been developed with stealth, speed, agility, and next-level avionics in mind. Designed to compete with and outperform even the most elite fifth-generation fighters, the 2025 model pushes the boundaries of what a modern Air Force aircraft can deliver. From its sleek stealth geometry to its advanced integrated systems, every part of the F-36 screams innovation and raw power. Built using composite materials and radar-absorbing surfaces, the F-36 is nearly invisible to radar, making it a nightmare for enemy detection systems. Its structure is aerodynamically tuned for speed and agility, ensuring not only supersonic capabilities but also unmatched maneuverability in high-pressure combat scenarios. The cockpit of the F-36 is futuristic in every sense. Pilots are surrounded by a full-glass cockpit layout with multiple high-resolution touchscreen displays, holographic HUD systems, voice-activated controls, and real-time data sharing with command and other units. The integration of AI-assisted flight operations allows the pilot to focus on mission-critical actions while the system supports targeting, evasion, and data analysis. Helmet-mounted displays add another layer of immersion and control, allowing the pilot to interact with the aircraft like never before. Under the hood, the F-36 is powered by a next-generation afterburning turbofan engine that allows it to cruise at supersonic speeds without compromising stealth. The thrust-to-weight ratio ensures rapid vertical climbs and sustained acceleration across various altitudes. With vector thrust technology and advanced flight control surfaces, the F-36 is capable of extreme aerial maneuvers and tight turns, making it highly efficient in both offensive and defensive air combat roles. In terms of weaponry, the F-36 is designed to carry both internal and external armaments depending on the mission. Internally, it features smart weapon bays capable of carrying air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, and hypersonic projectiles. Its external hardpoints can be loaded when stealth is not a priority, increasing its overall firepower. The onboard fire control system uses machine learning algorithms to predict enemy behavior, enhance targeting accuracy, and calculate real-time threat levels, ensuring that the pilot always has the upper hand. The avionics suite inside the F-36 is one of the most advanced ever installed in a fighter aircraft. It includes AESA radar, electro-optical targeting systems, infrared search and track systems, electronic warfare support, and integrated satellite and ground communications. All of these systems are networked together using a secure data link protocol, allowing seamless coordination with other aircraft, ground units, and command centers. This makes the F-36 not only a solo combat beast but also a perfect team player in joint operations. Fuel efficiency and operational range have also been upgraded. With a larger internal fuel tank and improved engine consumption, the F-36 can now cover longer distances without mid-air refueling. When extended missions are required, it can also be equipped with drop tanks or supported by advanced aerial refueling systems. Maintenance has also been simplified through modular systems, built-in diagnostics, and automated repair reporting, cutting down ground time significantly and increasing operational readiness. The 2025 variant of the F-36 also introduces advanced stealth coatings, thermal signature reduction, and reduced acoustic footprint. Enemy radar and thermal imaging systems struggle to lock onto this aircraft, giving it a tremendous advantage during deep penetration strikes and reconnaissance missions. The aircraft also features a smart onboard defense system that includes countermeasure dispensers, radar jamming pods, and active decoys to mislead incoming threats. Its design has been refined after thousands of hours of wind tunnel testing and computational simulations. The aircraft features a sharp nose cone, angled intakes, blended wing body architecture, and serrated edges, all working together to minimize radar cross-section. From a visual perspective, the F-36 looks like a blend of futuristic science fiction and modern military dominance, standing tall on runways and dominating the skies in action. In terms of pilot safety and survivability, the F-36 includes an automatic ejection system, G-force compensation suits, pilot life monitoring sensors, and emergency autonomous return-to-base protocols. Every element of the aircraft is designed to ensure mission success and safe return, making it not only lethal but also secure for its operator. Global defense analysts believe the F-36 will play a crucial role in redefining aerial warfare doctrines. With its multi-role capabilities, including air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare, it is expected to become a core asset in modern air fleets around the world. Many allied nations are already in talks to procure or co-develop variants of the aircraft, proving its global demand and strategic importance. What sets the F-36 apart from all other jets in its category is the perfect blend of artificial intelligence, stealth technology, and human-machine interface. It is more than a warplane, it is a flying command center, an eye in the sky, and a guardian of airspace. The future of warfare will be determined not only by power but by intelligence, and the F-36 represents that philosophy fully. If you're passionate about future military tech, stealth aviation, and next-generation aircraft, then stay connected with Auto System, where we bring you the most detailed breakdowns, reviews, and exclusive insights from the world of defense and aerospace. The F-36 2025 is just the beginning of what is to come. Make sure to subscribe to Auto System for more deep dive reviews, behind-the-scenes tech features, and updates from the aerospace world. Your support helps us keep bringing you high-quality content from the cutting edge of defense innovation. Subscribe now and join the mission.